We at beycome are so excited to be part of your home search process. You've saved up your down payment, worked on your credit, and gotten pre-approved with a lender. Now that you're ready to buy, it's time to start searching. This is the fun part. The part where you get to spend countless hours searching beycome.com, Zillow, Trillia, or Realtor.com for your perfect home. Once you find a home you're interested in, simply pull that address up on beycome.com and you can start using our tools. Right from that page, you can schedule a tour, request more information, or even make an offer. It's that simple. You do the searching, then our team goes to work, scheduling showings, analyzing properties, and submitting offers. Each and every property that you purchase using beycome, you will get cash back at close. And not just a little bit of cash, up to 2% of the purchase price. On a $500,000 home, that's $10,000. That's automatically credited to you at close of escrow to pay for closing costs or just straight cash back. So stop paying someone to show you a house you've already found yourself. Put that money in your pocket and get the home you've been waiting for.